I've gotten quite a bit done today, starting right here at this switch. I put the elevated area. As the track you can see keeps getting higher and higher as it comes this way. The 4-inch riser is below that, so that by the time it gets all the way to here, it is almost 6 inches high. It needs 4 inches of clearance. I also got the riser, the 4-inch riser in for this area of the track, which goes from the main line right here and into the mountain, and the two will cross right here. This will be the low one. That will be the high one. Then I also got both of the lines through the mountains done. Again, this line right here is the higher line. This line right here will be at 4 inches. And then once it gets out of here, it will start dropping down here. I also got the whole area for the Roundtable put in. This is all just 4-inch elevation. There's the track that comes into the Roundtable. So anyway, that is all in and glued down now. And I've run out of pins for right now, so I gotta stop. A little bit of a bird's eye view of what it looks like to this particular point in time.